In the very heart of South America lies the Amazon rainforest, a living giant stretching across more than 7 million square kilometers. It is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, covering 9 countries, with most of it in Brazil. For Canadians, it may feel like a distant world. Yet, just as Canada's vast boreal forests store carbon, filter water, and shape the global climate, the Amazon is another essential system, one that sustains life far beyond its borders. The living canopy. Beneath its endless green roof, more than 400 billion trees thrive. From giant hardwoods that tower like skyscrapers to delicate mosses clinging to damp stone, the forest is alive with layers upon layers of growth. Within this realm live millions of animal species, some familiar, others still unknown to science. Every rustle, every birdsong, every shimmer of insect wings contributes to a symphony of survival. Sunlight rarely touches the forest floor, filtered by dense foliage. Instead, the Amazon breathes through mist, song, and shadow. The arteries of the forest. Winding through this wilderness is the Amazon River, stretching more than 6,400 kilometers. It carries more water than any other river on Earth, second in length only to the Nile. Its more than 1,100 tributaries form a vast circulatory system, pumping nutrients and life across the continent. For Canadians, it may recall the Mackenzie River in the Northwest Territories, another mighty artery of water, though the Amazon flows with a force and scale unmatched anywhere else. Here, pink river dolphins glide, giant stingrays drift, and schools of piranhas patrol the murky currents. Beneath the surface, Arapaima, freshwater giants weighing over 100 kilograms, strike with sudden, vacuum-like power, swallowing prey in an instant. And in the shadows lurks the electric eel, capable of unleashing a 600-volt shock, enough to stun predators, prey, or even an unsuspecting human. The apex predators. The Amazon is also a stage for some of the planet's most formidable hunters. The jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, stalks silently through undergrowth, its bite strong enough to pierce skulls and turtle shells. Unlike most big cats, it is also a capable swimmer, hunting along riverbanks. The green anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes, coils beneath swamp waters. Weighing over 200 kilograms, it crushes capybaras, caimans, and even small deer. The black caiman, a cousin to alligators familiar to North America, grows over 6 meters long and rules flooded forests as a fearsome ambush predator. And above the canopy, the harpy eagle reigns. With talons larger than a grizzly bear's claws and wings spanning over 2 meters, it can seize monkeys and sloths from the treetops. For Canadians, the harpy eagle is as symbolic to the Amazon as the bald eagle is to North America, a raptor that embodies wilderness power. Seasons of extremes. Life here follows the rhythm of rain. From December to May, the wet season floods millions of hectares. Forests become waterways, fish swim between trees, and predators adapt to a world half-drowned. When the rains fade, rivers retreat. Mudflats and lagoons appear, drawing flocks of herons and ibises. Frogs, including the brilliantly colored but deadly poison dart frogs, emerge in search of breeding grounds. In the dry season, army ants sweep through the forest floor in relentless waves, devouring anything in their path. And deep in the shadows, the Goliath bird-eater spider, the largest spider on Earth, waits in silence, striking with speed when prey wanders too close. Cycles of renewal. As the first rains return, the forest resets. Waters rise again, fish migrate upstream, jaguars resume their hunts along swollen riverbanks, and the cycle of life continues. The Amazon is not just Brazil's treasure. It is a global life support system, regulating climate, storing carbon, and nurturing diversity. Its fate is tied to all of us. For Canadians, it may be thousands of kilometers away, but the air we breathe, the weather we experience, and the balance of our planet depend on this forest. The Amazon reminds us that every ecosystem, from Canada's tundra and boreal forests to South America's tropical rainforests, is connected in one living web. The Amazon breathes. And when it thrives, so does our planet.